This video is about removing the unwanted extension called Emojis Toolbar. Emojis Toolbar. As you can clearly see, this extension is currently spread through some fake alerts in Google Chrome, telling that some Flash SD app is required to proceed. Also, the pop-up may say that you need to activate ad blocker. But the problem is that there is no any ad blocker behind these pop-ups. After you install the extension, you will instead see a lot of strange ads and redirections through unfamiliar pages. By the way, your default search engine may be changed as a result of this extension installed. I'm going to demonstrate to you what exactly happens. So if this extension is installed and you start submitting some search queries, you might notice unwanted redirections taking place. Even if there are no any redirections, the extension may spy on your browsing activities and may collect your personal details. So I recommend that you first of all go to the menu of your browser, click on More Tools and select Extensions. I recommend that you get rid of this Emoji Toolbar extension as soon as possible. And finally, to make sure that your Mac is free of any other adware or malware, I recommend scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, then install the software and click on Start Combo Scan to begin the thorough research of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threats from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.